Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install a touchless toilet in a bathroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down some protective paper on the floor of the bathroom and outside of the bathroom. This step is totally not necessary, but I'm a little anal, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to be installing the Cadet Touchless Chair Height Elongated Toilet. And I'm going to be putting this in my powder room, which is really tiny. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the toilet outside of the bathroom. So first I'm going to place the tank to bowl gasket on the bottom of the tank. Then I'm carefully placing the tank on the chair, making sure the bolts go through the holes in the chair. Then taking the attachment handle and the plastic washer and nuts, I'm attaching it to the bolts, securing the tank to the chair. So I found it easy to push down on the bolt from within the tank while I was securing the nut to the bolt. And I did this by hand and with a flathead screwdriver. Now that the new toilet is assembled, now it's time to remove the old toilet. I start by removing the water supply. Then I flush the toilet. So you want to make sure that all the water is removed from the bowl as well as from the tank. You can remove any excess water in the tank with a sponge. Place a small bucket or a trash can under the supply line when you're removing the supply line from the tank to catch any falling water. Now I'm going to remove the bolts that secure the chair at the base. And like I mentioned before, this space is super tight. So with the help of my husband, I'm going to remove this entire toilet all in one. And now the final step before bringing in the new toilet. I'm going to clean the flange by removing the residue of the old wax ring and secure new bolts to the flange. And I've got my little helper keeping me on track. Now I'm placing the new toilet on its side on a padded surface. I rolled out a cork roll and I'm placing the new wax ring on the bottom. And again, I'm getting a little assistance from my husband in placing the toilet bowl onto the flange. Apply the weight evenly when securing the toilet to the flange so not to break the seal of the wax ring. If your wax ring isn't high enough and there is a slight gap between the floor and the base of the toilet, you may want to use some sort of shims. I made some homemade shims to remove any sort of wobble from the toilet. And now I'm installing the flush control sensor into the back of the tank. And after reattaching the water supply, I like to make sure that there are no leaks in the tank area before moving forward. And now we are in the home stretch. I'm placing the toilet seat on the chair of the toilet, and I'm placing the hand sensor in a spot that I think works best for us, i.e. a place where my daughter can reach it. I absolutely love this toilet. I love the look of it. I love the functionality of it. And I didn't know until now how much I needed a toilet that was actually at chair height. And in the event the flush system needs batteries, this toilet can be flushed manually. My powder room is now potty training central.